ABS and UC Berkeley started and implemented Maximo in a very short period of time. I worked with them to enhance our data governance because there were problems that we were witnessing.
We noticed, okay, Carolyn is saying that we need some other enhancements in terms of data compliance, data strategy, and we built and capitalized on the existing relationship we already had, and then decided to engage in that project.
So I think the Maximo community could use the results of this effort. We went out and interviewed all of our stakeholders to get a really good understanding about what they were missing or things that they saw needed improvements on, and we gathered all of that information to create this guidance document to really benefit the end users.
So the governance document, along with the understanding and adoption by the user community, provides that structure. So we now have closing the gaps between request for the change, who are responsible, how is it going to be done, and how it's going to be implemented and what's going to be the impact.
Established a really comprehensive way of tracking our change management when we were getting requests for changes in the system.
Data governance is obviously as a large initiative, but we want to take one step at a time and look at the process, but also look at the data components, look at the nomenclature of the data that gets into the system, look at all of the benefits that the clean, organized, deduplicated data can provide for the user community. So that's the main achievement. Side achievements, because we are talking to the user community in Maximo and we're understanding what they like with the system, what they don't like with the system, is voice of a customer. And that was a great exercise in my mind to achieve that, right? To hear the voice of a customer and then be able to understand what the pain points are. And then we as a company, as a partner, provide a recommendation then for Carolyn and her team to then implement those over the next months and years. We wanted to capitalize on our success and we applied for the Maximo Award. We left this conference, we left the Reliability Web and their team. We think they're doing great things, and we wanted to share our success together with UC Berkeley on what we've accomplished. We saw the categories. We saw that was a perfect fit for the data governance project that we just completed. So we wanted to be recent, something that's we've completed recently, something that's relevant, and something that we can think would benefit other Maximo users pretty much in any industry, right? This is not strictly related to facility management, right, or universities higher education. Anybody can benefit from this. So hopefully it will spark some ideas for others and set the benchmark, and we'll get them on that journey so they can be on the stage next year.